Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2019 230 SPX. Black hull, beautiful with the white hull underneath, the stainless steel rub rail, and it's powered by the new Mercury 200 horsepower. It's a gorgeous motor on the back, much quieter, low vibrations, plenty of power. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 230 SPX, and let's start at the back of the boat. They got a really comfortable sun lounger that flips up in the back, so when you're just hanging out, real comfortable in the back of the boat. Inside the boat, we have a nice L-shaped seating here with opposing seating on the opposite side as well. We've got a very comfortable helm up here, nicely designed, nice and clean look as well, and a nice head in here. Got to have the head. And up front, we've got a bow, plenty of seating up at the bow, 2 lounges. It's a perfect day boat. It'll do anything you want. It's a fast boat with that engine on the back. You'll love it. If you got any questions, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.